2000 F-250 lifted Super Duty. Got two high flow cats, True Duals X-Pipe, and then we put on it the Flowmaster. We put it on the X-Pipe and Flowmaster Super 50 series, and then it's True Duals all the way back with 4-inch tips, double wall, right there, right there. We will let you guys hear it in a minute. Hope you guys will like it. Just really low on the lift. He had the True Duals done, but it was too loud, so he brought it to us and we put that Super 50 on it. And we did an X-Pipe to equalize pressure. Sounds a lot better. It's a lot better, it's a lot deeper. All right. He says he's got an exhaust leak. '10 Ford F-150 Platinum Edition. What we got done on it? Still got, actually has a aftermarket catalytic converters on it, a kit. We didn't install them. They were installed somewhere else. And then he had his own Flowmaster 40 series right there. Then we put a Y pipe and 2 1/4 tailpipes out the back, there and there. And he wanted them turn downs. He didn't want any tips. Again. There's the sound decibels. Go ahead. Again. 96. Let him back it out. Again. Ford F-150 duals, Flowmaster with turn downs. '2007 Ford F-150 5.4 liter Lariats. Triton. Sorry about the hiccup, guys. Anyways, it's got two massive converters, right there and right there. Then it wires into a single. Then we cut the massive muffler off and put a Flowmaster Flow FX with 3-inch pipe. Kept the original tailpipe and put something special. I know you guys haven't seen this before. It's called the camo tip. You see it? You can't even see it because it's camo. Can you see it? I can't see it. I don't know. Let me know in the comments if you guys can see it. It blends in with its surroundings because it's camo. Yeah. Anyways, if you guys want the links to in the description for the Flow FX, I don't know if we can find a link to the camo tip, but if we do, we'll link it too. So, hope you guys like it. Let us know in the comments and smash that like button. Thank you. That's exactly what you wanted, right? Just Flow FX and a camo tip 4" by 18. Sound decibels? It peaked at 102. That's not bad. So it's not going to drone too much inside. It'll sound really nice indeed. Flow FX. Let you guys hear it on the inside. Perfect. He didn't want it too loud. I like it. 2002 Ford F-250 gas. We just did a muffler delete on it. We don't have time to show you the undercarriage real quick, but we just deleted the muffler. I'll let you guys hear it. That don't sound too bad. That gigantic muffler right Triton V8 Super Duty. It's got a massive converter on it, but it's still loud. Wow. Hope you guys like it. Still got a stock converter on it. 2007 Lincoln Mark LT 4-door truck. Still got the stock converters right there and right there. Then what we did on it is a Y-pipe duals. Straight out the back, straight pipes. 2 1/4 on each side. There and there. With 4-inch roll tips by 18. Right there and right there. Came out absolutely beautiful. Hope you guys like it. We'll let you guys hear it in a minute. There's the Y-pipe duals right there. Not bad, not bad. Sounds good. '10 Ford F-150 XLT, my favorite color, blue. We will let you guys look at the undercarriage. We did something very special on this one. It's got the stock converters there and there, factories. Then we did 2-inch true duals all the way back, all the way, and kept going and going and going. And then guess what else we did? We put 6-inch angle cut tips right there and right there. You might ask why we did this. To make it clap. You know what clapping is? We'll let you guys know what clapping is in a minute. We'll let you guys hear it. Hope you guys like it. Get ready to be clappatized. If you guys don't think this is loud, I don't know what the hell is. Again? That's loud. That's loud. That's MFing loud. Looks good too. week is still here. That's awesome.